Okay, children. Previous class we discussed about what you will learn states and capitals. So North India, South India, East India, West India. Now I am discussing about this part. This part it is called the easternmost states. Easternmost states. Our eastern states are here 1, 2, 3, 4. What we discussed? This is the only eastern states. Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. Now this is only easternmost states. It is the seven sisters. Seven sisters. Just remember, you know the numbers. Just numbers here 1, 2. Again here 1, 2, 3. Suppose 1. The first one is the Arunachal Pradesh. The first one is called Arunachal Pradesh, and second, this is previously Assam. Now it is called Assam. And third one, this is this 1, 2, 1 and 2. One is the Arunachal Pradesh. Second one is the Assam. Arunachal Pradesh capital, it is called Itanagar. Arunachal Pradesh capital Itanagar. Assam capital Dispur. Itanagar, and this is Dispur. So this is very difficult. Eastern states you will learn. It's very difficult. But coming to the point, the North India, they are the Jammu and Kashmir, and the right side Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and left side Punjab, Haryana, Delhi. Like that, similarly, southern states Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. And these are the southern, and west part Gujarat, one is the Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, and Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. These are the very simple. We'll learn these states and capital. Coming to the easternmost, these are somewhat difficult. So the first one, the first order, they are the order wise. First order, second order, third order. The first order, they are the two states. One is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Arunachal Pradesh capital, Itanagar. Assam capital, Dispur. This is order 1. Order 1. And second order. What is second order? They are the second order. They are the 1, 2, 3. They are the three states. 1, 2, 3. The first order Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. Second order, one is the Nagaland. Second one is the Manipur. Third one is Mizoram. So this is Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. Three states. Now Nagaland capital Kohima. Nagaland capital Kohima. Manipur capital Imphal. And Mizoram capital Aizawl. Mizoram capital Aizawl. Here the first order Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. And second order Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. There are three. And another third order. There are another third one. Third order, they are here. One, two, and three. So third order, one is the Tripura. Tripura. Second one is Meghalaya. One is the Tripura, Meghalaya. Tripura, Meghalaya. Tripura capital Agartala. Tripura capital Agartala. Agartala. Meghalaya capital. How the clouds it's how you feel clouds? It's very cool. మనకు తెలుగులో ఎలా ఉంటాయని చెప్తాం, బాగా చల్లగా ఉంటాయని చెప్తాం. చల్లగా ఉన్నది షిల్లాంగ్. సో మేఘాలయ క్యాపిటల్ షిల్లాంగ్. సో మేఘాలయ క్యాపిటల్ షిల్లాంగ్. అండ్ అనదర్ ఫైనల్, దిస్ is the state, it is a very important state. This state it is called a Sikkim. Sikkim. The Sikkim, it is the state, it's between the two countries. It the boundaries between the two countries, that is the Nepal, the left side it is the Nepal, right side it is the Bhutan. They are the two countries are the situated between the two countries. One is the Nepal and one is Bhutan. So this state is the Sikkim. The Sikkim capital Gangtok. Gangtok. The Sikkim capital Gangtok. These are the only easternmost states. Now North India, South India, West India, East India, easternmost. So northeast states. These are the called northeastern states. It's very important states. So now Arunachal Pradesh capital Itanagar, Assam capital Dispur, Nagaland capital Kohima, Manipur, Imphal, Mizoram, Aizawl, Tripura, Agartala, Meghalaya, Shillong, the Meghalaya capital Shillong, and another one, the Sikkim. In that Sikkim, which is the second highest peak in India, that is the peak also, it is situated in the Sikkim. Here it is located. Now the Sikkim is a very important the boundary sharing between the Nepal and Bhutan. And here they are the Sikkim. What is the mountain peak? It located in the Sikkim. There is the important mountain peak. That mountain peak, his name is called the mountain peak. Its name is called that Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga. The Kanchenjunga, it is located in the Sikkim. So this is the only the total boundaries, the total Indian states and capital. Indian states and capital. Now I want to explain union territories. So I want to explain the union territories. States and capitals it is completed. Now union territories. The totally how many union territories in India? How many union territories in India? There are the we have the previously we have only 7 union territories. How many? 7. What is the 7? One is the I want to explain UTs, union territories. One is Delhi. Second one Chandigarh. Third one Dayu and Daman. Dadra Nagar Haveli. Fifth one Lakshadweep, sixth one, Puducherry, seventh one, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Since we have only the previously somebody asked the question, how many union territories in India? Everybody says the union territories are 7 union territories. So one is the Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Andaman, Nicobar Islands. But what I am telling now, not 7 union territories, not a 7 union territory. Actually, before the starting the lesson, how many states in India? Everybody says 29 states, but actually not a 29, 28. They are the here another 2 states are the there 2 union territories are formed here. One is the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So total how many? 7, 8 and 9. Yes, but actually not 9 union territories. They are our India. We have only 28 states, 8 union territories. Why 8 union territories? One is the Delhi, Chandigarh. Now Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, it is the combined. Now the Delhi and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, it is the combined. It is the merged. Only one it is the. So that means here we have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have only 8 union territories. So Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Daman, there is a combined, it is the merged recently by the month of the October, but it is separated. The Jammu and Kashmir, it is separated on 31st October 2019. 2019, it is separated union territory. And Ladakh also 2019, 31st October, it is formed the separate union territory. So Ladakh is separate and Jammu and Kashmir also the separate union territory. And here who is the governor of the lieutenant governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Sorry, who is the lieutenant governor of Ladakh? The present Ladakh governor is the Ladakh Muthur. The unitary governor is Muthur. And the Jammu and Kashmir lieutenant governor is called Murmu. So this is the since 31st October 2019 it is formed in the 2 union territories in India. Now what is the capitals? What are the union territory capitals? Now where is the Delhi is located? Delhi capital Delhi, Chandigarh capital Chandigarh, Daman and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, it is merged, it is not separated. Now the combined capital is Daman. Lakshadweep Islands capital Kavaratti, Puducherry capital. Previously it is called Pondicherry, now it is called Puducherry. Andaman Nicobar Islands capital, Port Blair. Now where it is located? Now this is the Lakshadweep Islands. Now the first one it is located at Delhi. Delhi capital Delhi, Punjab and Haryana, their combined capital Chandigarh. Chandigarh. The Chandigarh capital, Chandigarh. And here, the Dayu and Daman. Here, Dayu and Daman. And another one here, Dadra Nagar Haveli. D and H. In Atlas also they are given like this. Just remember, Dadra Nagar Haveli. Now the both it is a merged. The combined capital is Daman. So here, this is Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Islands capital, Kavarati. Kavarati. In Tamil Nadu, there is the here Puducherry. Puducherry capital, Puducherry capital, Puducherry. This is Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Andaman Nicobar Islands capital Port Blair. Port Blair. These are the only union territories in India. If anybody asks the question, how many union territories in India? How many union territories? The union territories are 8 union territories and 28 states in India, not 29. And what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? The capital of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, not Amaravati. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad, not Amaravati. So just remember these things. And this is the only that what are the new states formed in the recently. The new state, that is the Telangana, it is created 2014 June 2nd. So in which state it is now the state it is divided into 2 union territories. What is the state? Jammu and Kashmir. Now the Jammu and Kashmir not a state, it is the union territory. There are the 2 union territories. One is the Ladakh and second one is the Jammu and Kashmir. Now the Jammu and Kashmir capital Srinagar. Jammu and Kashmir capital Srinagar. What about Ladakh capital? Ladakh capital is called Leh. The Ladakh capital it is Leh. 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 So there are the 8 union territories. One is the Delhi capital Delhi, Chandigarh capital Chandigarh, Dayu and Daman, Dadra Nagar Haveli, it is the capital Daman, Lakshadweep Islands capital Kavarati, Puducherry capital Puducherry, Andaman Nicobar Islands capital Port Blair, and Jammu and Kashmir, it is the Srinagar, and Ladakh, the capital Leh. Ladakh capital Leh, Leh. So it's these 2 are created 31st October 2019. Just remember this. If these are the only states and capitals. Already I given and India neighbor countries. What are the neighbor countries? I given the already code. What is the code? MBBS Spain. MBBS Spain means Myanmar, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Afghanistan, India, Nepal. This is the India, its neighbor countries, surrounding countries. Just remember here Tibet, China also it is one of the neighbor country. Just remember it. So this is the only states and capitals and union territories. Just remember this. So children, we learn 28 states and 8 union territories. In competitive exam also they will ask the question. In recently 10th class pre-final exam also they asked us some question. At present how many states in India and union territories? That it is asked the question. మనకు చాలా సింపుల్గా చూడడానికి చాలా సిల్లీగా అనిపిస్తుంటుంది క్వశ్చన్లు, కానీ ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయిన క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. అలాగే మన అందరం కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా ఎవ్రీబడి దే ఆర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్యాపిటల్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్, ఇమీడియట్లీ దే ఆర్ సేస్ అమరావతి, బట్ అమరావతి ఇస్ నాట్ ఏ క్యాపిటల్. నౌ this is the India. How now I want to explain the India neighbor countries. Already I explained what is the neighbor countries. Suppose here their code given. What is the code? MBBS Spain. MBBS Spain. Just remember, if anybody asks the question, tell me the some few countries. It's India neighbor countries. మీరు ఎవరన్నా పిల్లలు ఎవరైనా స్కూల్కి అది వెళ్ళి వచ్చిన తర్వాత నువ్వు మీ హాస్టల్ టీచర్ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, మీకు ఇండియా సరౌండింగ్ మన ఇండియాకి చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న కంట్రీ ఒక 2 దేశాల పేర్లు చెప్పు అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు మీరు? కొంచెం అలా తడబడుతూ ఉంటారు. అందుకు తడబడకుండా జస్ట్ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ కోడ్ MBBS Spain. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద M is the Myanmar. This area Myanmar and this is Bhutan and this one Bangladesh. S is the Sri Lanka and P is the here Pakistan. A is the Afghanistan. I is the India, Nepal. E is the India and is the Nepal. So this is the surrounding countries and China also is important. And now India, it is the where it is the location, where it is the situated. The India, it is a location, it is situated in the India, it is a part of the Asian country. The part of the Asia, our continent is called Asia. So the India, it is situated, it is located in the Asia, and the India, it is the 8 degrees 4 minutes to the location of India, 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude, and here 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. Is good petrol. Where India is situated, where it is a location. So definitely 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude and 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitude. It is situated in the India. Now India, it is the boundaries. They are the here this is the southeast. The southeast part, it is located in the Bay of Bengal. And the southwest part, it is located in the Arabian Sea. So, and the southernmost, this is the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. So India, it is covered by the 3 sides of water. So Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. So this part is completely water part. That means it is the only coastal plain. These are the only coastal lines. So India is where it is situated. The India is situated. It is the peninsula. What is peninsula? Peninsula means 3 sides covered by water. The peninsula means 3 sides covered by the water. And the 4th side, this is the 4th side. So there is no water. It is completely land area. So now India neighbor countries. Neighbor countries means code. What is the code? MBBS Spain. India is where it is a location, where it is situated, and India is the peninsula plateau and 3 sides covered by water, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal. Now India, neighbor countries and Indian states. The Indian states are 28 states and Indian 8 union territories. This is the total union territories and states and capitals. Okay. If any down here, so suppose there somebody asks the question, what is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir? If anybody asks the question, Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu, now it is divided into 2 union territories recently. That is the month of the October 2019. The 2019 it is separated. They are the 2 union territories. That is the Jammu and Kashmir and the Ladakh. They are the 2 union territories. Just remember, this is the entire total India and neighbor countries and states and capital. Indian rivers. What are the rivers already we discussed? They are the Himalayan rivers, Peninsula rivers, and which rivers are close to east, which rivers are close to west, and which rivers are the originated in the Himalayan rivers already are discussed. So this is the only total entire India countries. So the lesson total entire lesson, our lesson is the rain and rivers. Already rains where now my question, which state having the bulky rainfall during the southwest monsoon? Which state having the bulky rainfall? Or sorry, which state having the bulky rainfall? That is the bulky rainfall it is having the Meghalaya, this part. So this part is the Meghalaya. Meghalaya having the bulky rainfall, heavy rainfall. Or I will ask another question. From northeast monsoons getting the which state get the more rainfall? So that is the Tamil Nadu. So this is the Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu gets more rainfall from the northeast monsoon. So, I will ask another question. Southwest monsoons entered into the first state. What is the first state to enter the southwest monsoon? So southwest monsoons are entered in the Kerala. So the Kerala it is the answer. Now this is the only rains. Now I will ask the reverse question. Rivers, about rivers, Indian rivers. How many? What are the types of rivers? What are the types of rivers? Himalayan rivers, Peninsula rivers. Which river is the largest river in India? Which river is the largest river in India? The largest river in India is Ganga. The Ganga river. 2525 kilometers. The Ganga, it is a 2525 kilometers. I will ask another question. Which is the largest peninsular river? Which is the largest peninsular river? The peninsular river, it is the Godavari. River Godavari, it is the largest peninsular river. So the river Godavari, it is originated in the Maharashtra, Nasik, already we discussed. And another one, what is the capital of Ladakh? What is the capital of Ladakh? The capital of Ladakh, this is the Ladakh. What is the capital of Ladakh? The Ladakh capital is Leh. So important this one. And which state it's covered the 3 sides of the oceans? Which state? The state which is covered the 3 sides. That means Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. That state is called Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu is covered the 3 sides of ocean showers. So that is the Tamil Nadu. And another one, already I given how many oceans in the world. I given the code. What is the code? How many oceans in the world? What is the code? Every department, government authorities having PA, personal assistant అని చెప్పాను PA. So IAS ఆఫీసర్కి ఎవరంటారు? PA ఉంటాడు. PA అని చెప్పారు. So that means how many oceans in the world? Just remember this code. The code is important. Code, secret code. The PA, IAS officer, PA. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Southern Ocean. It is also known as the Antarctica Ocean. So easily remember these questions, and these are the important questions in examination point of view also. It's a very important. This is the states and capitals, India and Indian neighbor countries, and some other, they are the union territories, and they are the two union territories recently they formed, that is the Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you and all.